What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NVIDIA stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why this asset bounced from its lowest point at roughly $140 to its current price for more than, let me show it to you, for more than 10%, and definitely we caught this bounce, and I will show you how we can find another opportunity to enter the position. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that this asset forms some kind of bullish pattern. It is a falling bullish wedge. Let me show you in details. Let me zoom out a little bit. As you can see, if I connect these tops without this bull trap and these bottoms, we can clearly see the falling bullish wedge. And this wedge usually breaks to the upside. And I have to say that this level of around $142 was a very good range where you could enter your position, but let me show you why I think so. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its lowest point, if I switch to daily time frame, as you can see right here, this is the lowest point, the swing low for this asset right before this massive movement to the upside. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see right here, we have the golden pocket pattern, we have the golden pocket range, the range in between 0.65 and 0.618, at the price points in between $142.10 and $152.2. And this range statistically has the highest probability of trend reversal, and the probability rate is more than 70 to 75%, and definitely we can benefit from this confluence. So what should we expect next? I will show you in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news and let me show you why we have this spike in its price. First of all, let me show you this article. We are on monthly full, and this article was published on July the 7th, and it's titled "Why NVIDIA and AMD Jumped Today." And let me quote you this. First of all, one of the main reasons is that Samsung guidance gave tech investors hope that some of industry's challenges might be abating. Those figures that Samsung published this week were better than several analysts predicted. And the news also suggests that demand for chips may be stronger than many investors thought. After rising sharply during the early stages of the pandemic, sales of laptops and smartphones are widely expected to slow. But sales of chips used in data centers are projected to remain robust as more companies shift their operation to the cloud. These cloud-related sales should help to support NVIDIA's and AMD growth. On top of that, let me show you this information. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published also on July the 7th. And let me quote you information about NVIDIA. NVIDIA is benefiting from the work and learn from home wave. It is also benefiting from strong growth in GeForce desktop and notebook graphic processing units, which is boosting gaming revenues. Moreover, a surge in hyperscale demand remains a tailwind for the company's data center business. Expansion of NVIDIA GeForce Now is expected to drive user base. Further, solid uptake of artificial intelligence-based smart cockpit infotainment solutions is a boon. Additionally, collaboration with Mercedes-Benz is expected to further strengthen NVIDIA's presence in the autonomous vehicles and other automotive electronics space. And definitely, these several news were the main drivers. Let me switch again to 4 hours time frame. And right here we had this bounce from the golden pocket range, and as you can see from the entry point, we already gained about 10% of potential profits to its highest point, as you can see right here. And our main target, main short-term target is right here. It is the confluence of two ranges, and I will show you why I chose this range as the medium-term price target. And let me show you why this asset stops at the range of 55 exponential moving average. Let me show you this article. We are on nasdaq.com, and let me show you that NVIDIA traded marginally lower on the day due largely to an analyst's price target cut, booking a slightly deeper loss than the S&P 500 index. And here's the details. Tigress Financial Partners Ivan Fenseth was the person doing the cutting. He now believes NVIDIA stock is worth $310 per share, down quite some distance from its previous estimation of $410. Crucially, however, he is maintaining his buy recommendation on the company. He also took pains to point out that his move is based on what he terms a re-rating of valuation on the specialty tech stock. NVIDIA remains relatively popular among certain investors despite notable drops in the prices of other titles in the sector, while nervous investors sell out in favor of defensive stocks, consider better place in a potentially declining economy. Fenseth is still very bullish on NVIDIA's business. In his research note detailing the price target cut, he wrote that the company's leadership position in data centers, autonomous technology and AI will continue to drive accelerating growth. He also pointed out that NVIDIA remains very much on the cutting edge of processor technology. And because of this forecast, definitely we have NVIDIA has some kind of bounce from 55 exponential moving average. It found this range as the range of resistance. But overall, I have to say that this forecast is still very bullish because the $310 price target implies an upside potential of about 100%, 95.63. And definitely this upside potential for the next 12 months is very promising for NVIDIA. And probably because of this, we can see cautious buys on the list of institutional investors. As you can see, this column shows the percentage changed in the position of these companies. And the positive number shows the increase in position, and negative number shows decrease in position. And we have more increasing positions right here in this column. And these three companies closed its position entirely, but the amount of money that was invested in NVIDIA was not so big, and these three companies combined closed the position for not more than $500,000. So definitely we can see cautious buys of NVIDIA stock right now, and I have to say that in 45 days after the current date, we can see the increase in these numbers because these filings have a delay of about 45 days. And right now we are reaching the crucial point of golden pocket pattern, and this is statistically the most important range where a lot of investors added their position almost blindly. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered your position right here. To the current price, you might be up for almost 9.5%. Definitely very good movement in a matter of just several sessions, but I still stand on my position that this asset might hit higher targets and it might break this range, this sloping line as the range of resistance, and we can re-enter our position. And let me show you how we can do it. So first of all, for those of you who entered your position right here, just put your stop loss in the green territory. And in this case, you won't lose any money. But for those of you who want to enter your new position, just accumulate on the movement to the downside, because this asset might see some kind of bearish pressure. And as long as this pivot holds, we still remain bullish. And this means you can enter your position on the way down. Let me show you that this asset might go lower. And you should put your stop loss slightly below this bottom. In this case, you will be able to re-enter the position, and in this case, you might have, let me show to you, let's assume that we might hit about $150 mark as the lowest point, and your average price also might be somewhere here. To the most conservative target, you might have about 19, almost 20% of potential profits, and the downside potential is not more than 5.5%. This means the risk to reward ratio is almost 4-1, and this means this is quite juicy potential profits in a matter of just next week or two. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.